Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix voice mode not working issue. So go to your settings and you can see here that the voice bar is going up and down, so the microphone is working. So if you don't see this here, so the microphone is not working, so you better troubleshoot the microphone. For my case, the microphone is working, but maybe the output is not working. So what we need to do is go to System and then go to Sound, and then the input you can choose whatever input you have, and for the output you can go to Advanced Parameters and then go to Voice Mode. Here it's better to choose voice mode, this one, dummy output, so it will be setted always. So if you use voice mode for other on other apps, they will be already using the default options coming from your computer, so it's better to choose this option. And for this you can choose also microphone voice mode, and the issue will be solved, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.